I saw the barn swallow's nest had fallen. I don't know if you can see up where it was. Yeah, it fell down, and it looks like they lost an egg. I mean, I guess fortunately it looks like there was only one, so they must have just started laying. It's just been so hot lately. I think the mud dried out and lost its adherence. But uh, they're right over there. They're a little bit upset. They like to fly around and dive bomb at my head to let me know that they're not happy about me being by their nest. Maybe they are blaming me for what happened. I'd really like them to stay here, but I don't really know what I can do to secure this up there. Maybe if I just that's kind of precarious too. Maybe if I leave it there, they'll work on it. I mean, they're such pretty birds. I hate stressing them out like this. Yeah, I guess that's about it.